Welcome to the BMW 3 Series walk around video. Now this is an M Sport E-Drive, so it's got a hybrid system. Take a walk around and get the engine warm and running so you get the full benefit of what it can do. Double exhaust there at the back. You see 330E on the back there. Continuing that nice light shape that's now new on the BMWs. Nice wide rims, M Sport branding on the sides. And daylight running lights with the classic BMW rings on either side of the grille, which makes it very aggressive to look at. It's a very nice look. You've also got your hybrid electric plug-in as well, if you walk around, as well as your fuel. Very nice, very smart, as you expect from an M Sport. But taking a look inside, this is where the real business is. So we've got red leather interiors, red leather armrest, bright red leather on the doors. The red really does work in this car, really nice. Looking in the back, as you can see on the back seats too. M Sport logo branding on the door lines. So as you can see, the classic iDrive look. All sorts of fun features. iDrive controller, automatic with the electric version, so you can click that and on comes your auto e-drive. Off, turn it on, system controlled electrical driving. So this is fully electrical, and whilst you're driving, as it's a hybrid, and the way that works is it charges the battery whilst you're on the petrol drive, and as soon as you want to go into electrical, then you can use that. M Sport steering wheel, a nice gloss finish on the sides, M Sport branding again. Controls here with the flappy panel gear shifters, light controls, fuel lid, two pedals, obviously it's an automatic, garage, the bonnet lever. We've got this silver carbon fibre finish look, or carbon fibre look finish here, which is really nice. It's kind of like a scaled look, really nice finish there. We've got passenger and driver weather controls. Got more storage here. So in the back it continues that red leather, really nice finish, looks very cozy and comfy, almost looks like a sofa. We've got the cigarette lighter and the heater at the back there for the passengers in the back, as well as door lighting, as you can see just there. Headrests and a nice small little boot at the back there, which I'll open up now. Reaching underneath the BMW logo, it opens up. Well, here's the charger kit. Keep that at the side. Storage compartments, extra cigarette lighter look, just there. Floor mats, lashing points, all there, here, there, and everywhere. Closing this down. Close properly. Yeah. E-Drive branding, very smart, very nice. And that is the BMW 3 Series E-Drive. Late 66, fantastic year to be a BMW owner. They did lots of great cars that year. Nice aggressive look with the circular ring lights as well. All in all, a car you could not miss out on. If you like what you see, go to www.anchorcars.co.uk. You can inquire, and our sales team will be more than happy to help you try and secure or find something else to fit your budget or needs. We've got plenty of cars to choose from. It's all a case of which one you want.